Site and context modeling for design and analysis 4. This is just a very quick video just to cover the material properties of mass forms and topography. Okay, I did mention topography but a while back, but let's just cover it again. A few queries people have been having, which is that by default your mass forms are appearing transparent, and that your topography may be looking something like this with a sort of brown side to it when you use the section box to crop it. So I've got the section box here, cropping my topography. So let's cover that one first. If you go to this drop down arrow under massing and site, you can choose the section cut material for the section cut of your topography surface, and I've already set mine to default form because I want it to be the same material as my conceptual masses, my buildings that I've modeled. Okay, hence my cut section is now going transparent. Okay, so let's deal with that now. If you go to manage, okay, and materials, your building masses use the default form material here. So select that, and the thing is you have two settings. You've got the graphics and the appearance. Graphics being used for sort of shaded views but not for renders, and appearance being used for renders. So if you don't want those buildings to be transparent, set the transparency to 0 for the graphic view. Let's just check that it's worked. Yeah, that's now no longer transparent. And then you also need to go under the appearance and either, well, turn the transparency off or turn it right down here. Okay, click OK. And now if I just do a realistic render, we have no transparency. I go back into the materials. We switch that transparency back on. We go transparent again. Okay, so the point there is that you have two different material settings. One is for the more sort of graphical view here, and the other one is for the rendered view. Okay, and this is also where you need to be careful if you want to really work sort of quite carefully with your materials for the render. Then this is where you can change the reflectivity, glossiness, all the sort of properties, self-illumination. Okay, so hopefully that will just solve that query.